Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a zip file on your MacBook. To create a zip file on macOS, first go ahead and select the files you want to compress. Then simply right-click on them and select Compress. Just like that, a file named archive.zip is created. You can hit return to rename it to whatever you want. And that's it, you've successfully created a zip file. Now when you want to unzip it, just double-click the file. A folder containing all your compressed files will appear instantly. Now here is a cool trick. If you want your Mac to automatically delete the original zip file after extracting it to keep your desktop clean, do this. Open Spotlight by hitting Command Space and search for Archive Utility. When you open it, you won't see a window pop up. Just look at the top menu bar, click on Archive Utility and select Settings. Here you'll see a few options. Look for the section that says After Expanding. By default, it's set to Leave Archive Alone. Go ahead and change that to Delete Archive. Now, whenever you unzip a file, the original zip will be deleted automatically. It saves you a ton of time. If you need to work with other formats like RAR, 7Z, TAR, or GZ, check out my other tutorial on how to install the Unarchiver. I'll leave the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.